Good morning, I'm Krista Oakes, a yoga and meditation instructor, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. This week I want to share with you the bridge pose. The bridge pose is actually a prep position for a full wheel, but most of us are never going to do a full back bend, which is why the bridge can be so wonderful. When you come down onto your back to do this pose, most of us will begin just by lifting the hips, but if you notice, this creates more of a ramp or a plank position. This is called bridge pose. We want to not only lift the hips, but lift the chest up so you can create more of a rounded position in your body so that you can really feel that opening of the chest and the strength in your core. You can even bring the shoulders under the body and the hands under the body to get even a higher lift as you press the hips and lift up through the chest. The other thing that's really helpful when you're in bridge pose is to actually add a block. Place the block between your knees, and as you lift up, engage the inner thighs so that everything stays in alignment. Quite often in this pose, we have a tendency to have the feet too wide, causing the knees to fall out to the side. But you actually want those feet like they would be in mountain pose, and when you lift up, everything is engaged together. So next time you practice bridge pose, think of the shape of a bridge so that not only your hips lift, but also that chest lifts and expands. Namaste.